All right, people, what's going on? This Calvin Cade. I'm gonna show you where we at with these trades. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm in 5 trades. Um, some of them took profit already. Some of them got hit, and I took off some on USD CAD. But right now we on USD Chef. This is what we're looking like. I got this thing going up there, so gonna be waiting for that to hit our TP. Right now we in this buy mode. Bam. Let me see something right quick. Bam. So this thing could come tumbling back down. If it do, we can get in another entry. But you know, you just want to keep things simple, right? Let me see what the daily looking like right quick. Alright, so I think this is gonna come back down and shoot back up. But other than that, this can be a pivoting point right here. So that's why I got my TP right here. So we got our entry, exit, right? So you gotta have that when you're trading. If you don't know where you getting in there and getting out at, you know, why are you trading, right? So that's where we at on this one. Let's refresh that. We at 82 pips. I think it's gonna come back down to our entry. If not, we'll just shoot up. So that's that one. Euro Chef, where we at? Come on, Euro Chef. All right, we still down here. You can see we just been ranging. I think what I think they're gonna do is try to take these people out. So that's what I think they might do. I don't know if they're gonna do it or not. But see, as you can see, it's dropping. But we got our targets up here. Let's go to that daily again, just to see what's going on. And yeah, boom. That's that one. Oh, let's see what the weekly look like. Bam, right there. Right? So that's why I got my TPs up here. Just the daily. I've got a TP right here just in case this thing pivot down and shoot back up. We can get out in here too. So right. So we're gonna see what that holds. We down 25 pips, but these two positions in profit, it's just this one that's making it like that. The other one is USD CAD. Let's check that one out. This was starting to reverse. I got in this thing on the lower time frame. Right, boom. But if this thing do, you know, you just gotta prepare for the if these things do retrace, you just gotta be prepared for it to know where to get back in at, right? Because these things just don't go straight up, people. That's just not how trading works. Our daily, let's just take a look at it, right? Between this high, I'll just put it that high, boom. Bam. Let's go to our weekly. And right now, that's what this sell model is, right? So we in that sell, we got that sell. So this thing can retrace back up here. But other than that, I'm using my indicator. Matter of fact, I just don't want to show it. But so I'm just marking my charts up because I don't want people to get ideas and start setting this stuff on the market, and they'll have something else to sell to you guys. Like, I believe if you have something that's an edge, people, why would you give your competition what you killing the markets with, right? It just doesn't make sense. That's like having a good strategy in football or something, and like at practice, and you give your opponent what you're doing in practice the same advantage you got to win the game, right? I just don't think that's logical. That don't make logical sense. Don't give your opponent your edge because, you know, at the end of the day, you're competing with those people. So that's why I'm not really releasing my indicator. I'm just going to take advantage of it. And it's personally made for me. It don't have nothing to do with helping people. I'm helping people with stuff like this. You know, it's just logical stuff. Like if you know price action, you know how to get in these trades. I just made that solely based off of my strategy. So when I see what I'm looking for, I could just get in it. But I could just scan through these pairs and just see it and just enter the trade and move on to the next one. And then it's called it a day. But that's this one, USD CAD. We AUD Chef. Still waiting on this one to perform. I actually think it's about to go up. Between this low and this low, this is the lowest low. So, all right, boom. Let's go to our daily. So this thing can shoot back down. Yeah, it can. But who knows, right? This thing got a lot of upwards potential. Give me a minute. Alright, I'm back. I think this thing gonna go back up. What we gonna see? We got all this area right here to fill, and it's starting to kind of retrace back up. The next one is the last one is GBP Chef, right? Just take a look at that, refresh it. This thing halfway there. We got it down here. Bam. Told you that's the zone I trade in. Let's go to our daily. See what we're looking like over there. We got a bunch of these highs that's gonna get. I believe they're gonna take all this out, but you know you gotta prepare for where this thing can pivot from, right? That's why I think it can pivot from. You know, it can pivot from right here, come down, boom. But you know, that's why I'm looking at. And that's what I'm looking at. So yeah, that's what we in right now. We got USD Chef. We have Euro Chef. Where is it? Euro Chef. Alright, this thing just fluctuating right now. It's just ranging. I hate when they do that. But when they do that, a big move gonna come. So I think people know it's gonna go up. So what I think they're gonna do is set this thing down and spike it up. But they could just go up. They could just go up. The next one is USD CAD. I know this one's gonna go up, but I think it's gonna come down before it go up. AUD Chef. Look at that. And GBP Chef. So I'm in all these people. I'm in all those. That's a bunch of chef pairs, huh? Majority of them all chef pairs. So yeah, hold on one second. Yeah, but that's it. I'll pretty much update you guys on everything, how these things play out. But we're gonna be holding these trades. You know, they swing trades. But like I was saying, man, trading is really simple. It's not easy, but it's simple. And you just gotta go in this data and figure that stuff out. Like what can you see that happen over and over, and start practicing that, people. Like I said, they got people that do this. They see this double bottom. I mean, they see this inverted head and shoulders. Boom, and they'll get in like that. See that? Boom, break it. Boom, boom, break it. Retest, and they'll get in like that. They got people that do that. They got people who do the trend line thing. Right? They do it like that. See that? People trade like that with the trend line. Boom. As soon as it break, get in on a retest. Yeah, people do stuff, different. It's just not one way to trade, people. They got people who do the high. Once that high break, retest, boom. See that? It's a whole lot of ways to trade. Like, no one way is correct. Like, if you want to get into details, you know what I'm saying? Look, boom. Every high they get break, just get in on the retest. Right? Right. Probably would have, you probably wouldn't have lost that, because look, your stop loss would have been under these lows. But you wouldn't have got back up to this high though. Right? So they got people that trade like that. They got a whole bunch of ways people trade, people. A whole bunch of ways. Look, the same thing with this. Once it break, retest, sell off. It's just all about what you see and how you can see it. Right? Boom, boom. Once it break, boom, retest, boom, sell off. I just don't trade like that. I don't trade like that. I just trade my zones. Boom. Right? So that's what people doing. Getting these charts, people, figure this stuff out, and you gotta document your trades. You gotta, you don't have to journal. I don't journal, people. I just document it and just go over them and work on my mistakes. Right? So that's what you gotta do. Gain that experience, because that's what it's all about. Experience. There's no one way, no shortcuts. And just continue the process. Create your little routine, and that's it, people. You could call it what you want, but what a lot of people doing is trying to teach, and they don't want to actually put the work in. So they could teach you a method or two, but if they're not withdrawing out of this market, people, they're not trading. They're not really trading. But other than that, y'all get at me. That's where we at so far, and I'll update you guys on it. So, all right, what's going on? This the next day. Markets closed that Friday. GBP Chef, it went up just a tab. As you can see, it's kind of ranging right here. I think this can pull back to pull up, but I got it right here because of the higher time frame. So we're sitting at 136 on that one. What else we need? Chef. I'm in all the chef pairs. This one just been ranging, as you can see. Look at this, just ranging. So what it might do, come down a spike, or it can come up, and do all that stuff. But we gonna see and wait for that. I wanna see something though. I wanna see what it look like on a weekly. All right, so on the weekly we broke this low. Now, and we broke these lows recently. So what it can do is it can come back up, and that's what we hoping for. That's why I got my TPs right here, so it can come up, do all this, come back down to this level. But who knows, right? We'll see. The daily. We're gonna see. But anyway, my TP's up here on this one. What else? USD CAD. We up 337. That's about 150 something pips each, because it's two positions. I took 6 off of one of these, and just left one on a 0.05, and we just letting this thing run to hit our TP. So yeah, that's that one. And A Chef, Where you at? Right here. A sharp. We still negative 17.5. I mean, we in profit on this position, but this position is down in the negative. So yeah, that's it. We got GFEF, UK, and A shelf, right? And Euro CAD. I don't believe I showed you guys that one, but we up 43 on that one. But that's about it, man. And make sure that we not in too many. Yeah, that's about it. So that's it. GF, AU, not in. We're negative on that one. Alright, one in that one, one in that one. Alright. And negative on this one. I think this is gonna perform next week. Up that one. That's it, people. So, oh yeah. Solid system. Man, just trade how you trade, people. Find your niche, take advantage, study, and gain that experience and master it. Just continuously be at your craft, man, and just work on your discipline, and this stuff can pan out for you. And to anybody that have a strategy, people, I recommend you. And if you're not consistent, but if you're consistent, don't worry about it. But if you're not consistent and you got a strategy, this is a perfect way to know that if your strategy is profitable or not. You can either go on your demo or put $100 in and just trade a 0.01. That way you can work on your risk management, and at the same time you can trade without having to watch your charts all the time. But and if you're a swing trader, definitely, because you can make a lot of money off of that. So whatever your strategy is, I don't care if it's a inverted head and shoulders, or a trend line break, or whatever. Let me see, a trend line break. Let me see how you do this. It could be anything, right? It could be a trend line break, boom, and retest, boom. Let's just try that again. Right? Trend line break, boom, retest, shot up. It could be whatever you guys want to make this. However you guys trade. Some people trade like this. Let me see. Head and shoulders. Boom. Reach for a retest. Grab that. Some people trade like this. Break. Retest. Boom. Some people just trade like this. As soon as it break, wait for a retest. Right? As soon as it get broken, wait for a break, and wait for a retest. Boom. There you go, right? So there's no one way how to trade, people. But whatever you're doing, you're not consistent, people, just trade on a 0.01 lot size, and just trade only good setups for at least 4 to 6 months and see how you turn out. Because I believe any strategy can work, and anybody can trade consistently, and you gotta follow your plan, people. You gotta follow your plan. Like, only take those good setups and use the right risk management, right? So you don't want to trade. Let's say you have an A+ setup, right? Don't trade like 4 to 5 trades on that one setup, just to see where you can get out of it. Just trade one position on one good setup. Get your TP point, put your stop loss, on every execution that you trade, and document that and record it if you can, just to see how you was, either feeling, and talk to yourself. But do that for at least 4 to 6 months and see what the outcome is. And I guarantee you, people, you won't be disappointed, because at the end you're growing, you're getting that experience, and you're on your own, because trading is an independent thing, and you don't need anybody to trade, people. Anybody can make money in these markets. The ones that's on top, people, they are no different from you. Only thing is they separate themselves from you is experience, right? So get in these charts, because everything you need to know is in this data, people. It's right in your face. It's staring at you right in your face on any time frame. Any time frame. On every time frame. But I recommend you do that just for 4 to 6 months, and that's it. But other than that, man, y'all get at me. That's where we at on these trades. We're gonna see what next week bring. I might get in some more entries, because these are running. I think these gonna start pulling back, and the other one's gonna start pushing up. But we're gonna find out, and move from there, right? So y'all get at me, like, comment, subscribe, and that'll be it, man. I'll see y'all next week.